Welcome back. I have been living a lie. For years, I have done gardening videos. Gardening video after gardening video after gardening video. I've got over 1,000 gardening videos. But I realized it's not about the gardening. It's about the digging. I like to dig, dig, diggity dig. I like to diggy, 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 dig. I like to dig, 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 dig every day. I like to diggity, 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 diggy, dig. Diggity, 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 diggy, dig. I like to dig, 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 dig every single day. Digging in, digging in, digging in, digging in, digging. Digging in, digging in, digging in, digging in, digging. I like to dig, 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 diggity dig. I like to dig, 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 dig. I just can't stop digging, 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 digging. I like to dig, digging, 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 digging. Oh yeah, I like to digging, 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 dig. I like to digging, 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 digging. What I like to do is dig and dig until I'm through, and I will never be through digging. Digging, 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 digging. Digging is my true passion. And planting trees, digging potatoes, digging holes for trellises, digging terra preta pits. All that stuff was just an excuse to follow my real dream, which is to be a digger, a full-time digger. And I am no longer gonna live a lie. This is no longer a gardening channel. This is David Digs. We are going to do nothing but dig on this channel from now on. And I've got some great stuff that I can cover about my true love. We're gonna do reviews of my favorite shovels. We're going to compare the digging and the price points. We're gonna look at tiny little diggers. We're gonna look at great big diggers. We're gonna look at digging in the news. We're even gonna cover digging fashion, such as what is the best pair of flip-flops you can use to dig in your yard. We are going to dig, 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 and we're gonna have a whole lot of fun. And I'm so excited to be starting this out with 120,000 subscribers who will soon be as excited about digging as I am. I know you're gonna dig it. And I will never be through digging. Digging, 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 digging. Until next time, may your shovels always be green.